If you want to earn extra income by renting out your home, Airbnb is one of the best platforms to get started. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to list your house on Airbnb step by step, even if you've never hosted before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a listing, add details, and publish your property so guests can start booking. First, open your web browser and go to the Airbnb website, or open the Airbnb app on your phone. Sign into your account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, look for the Become a Host or List Your Property option and click on it to start creating your listing. Airbnb will guide you through a step-by-step process. Start by selecting the type of property you want to list, such as an entire home, a private room, or a shared space. After that, enter your property location so guests can find your place on the map. Next, add details like the number of guests your place can accommodate, the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Now it's time to make your listing attractive. Add clear and high-quality photos of your space, including the bedroom, bathroom, living area, and any special features. Good photos play a major role in getting more bookings. After uploading photos, write a clear and honest description of your property. Mention important details like amenities, nearby attractions, and what makes your place unique. Next, set your price per night. Airbnb may suggest a price based on similar listings in your area, but you can adjust it according to your preference. You can also set availability by choosing which dates your property is open for booking. Make sure your calendar is accurate to avoid any issues with guests. After that, review your listing details carefully. You may also need to set house rules, such as check-in time, smoking policy, or whether pets are allowed. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button to make your listing live. Once your property is listed, guests can start viewing and booking your place. You'll receive notifications for booking requests or instant bookings, and you can communicate with guests directly through the Airbnb platform. In this tutorial, we covered how to create an Airbnb listing by adding property details, uploading photos, setting pricing, and publishing your home. This process helps you turn your space into a source of income by hosting travelers from around the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.